First of all, I would like to extend my sincere greetings to everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Shuruz Hassan. I completed my graduation from Fulbari Government College. Currently, I am working with Kinai Shop, bringing the famous Haribanga mangoes from Rangpur to customer across Bangladesh. Rangpur is well known for its Haribanga mangoes, which have gained popularity not only throughout Bangladesh but also in various countries around the world. For those looking for fresh, chemical-free, naturally ripened Haribanga mangoes, Kinai Shop offer the best quality mangoes directly from the garden. We collect our mangoes straight from the gardens and deliver them nationwide, ensuring freshness and qualities in every order. If you are looking for naturally ripened, chemical-free Haribanga mangoes, you can confidently order from Kinai Shop. Enjoying the authentic taste of Rangpur's famous Haribanga mangoes from the comfort of your home. Kinai Shop, your trusted source for premium Haribanga mangoes. Stay with Kinai Shop. We are committed to give the best, inshallah.